What's up, you guys? Welcome back, and welcome if you're new. In today's video, me and Ben's Tech are going to be installing the...
What's up?
Me and Ben's Tech are going to be installing the Cali raised OEM switch specifically for the Tacoma, and we're also going to be installing the Cali raised bracket for the switches. So it does go in here. It doesn't look exactly like this, but it does look really clean. And if you want to stay tuned, believe me, if you have a Tacoma, this is one cheap install to do. All you're going to need for this install is pretty much maybe some black tape, some wire splitters and cutters, and a Phillips head screwdriver. That's it. Super simple, easy to install. Let's go ahead and get into it, and I'll show you how it's done. Alright, so the first part of doing the install is, of course, we're going to be doing the bracket first. So what you want to do is pretty much get your hand in here, kind of pull up and pull back, and it should pop off. Don't be scared. If you break it, you break it, you buy it. No, I'm just kidding. But that's super simple. So now looking back here, so once you remove these 4 bolts, the 1, 2, 3, and 4, this whole little piece where you usually put your change at will remove, and then it will allow us to install the bracket. Alright, so you see it was so easy to uninstall this. So now you want to go ahead and get your bracket. There's no main way to go that it goes, so you just want to go ahead and overlay it and reinstall your 4 screws. Alright, so nice and secure. Alright, so now you just go ahead and get your OEM switch from Cali raised. I'm going to go ahead and run the wire through. Make sure it's the correct way.
You gotta put it in straight.
I know.
There you go.
Alright, I'm going to go ahead and put my bottom one that I had installed the last time for the ditch lights. I'm going to go ahead and install it there as well. This is also a Cali raised button, just letting you know. Alright. Alright, so now that I have the buttons in there, we're going to go ahead and do the wiring for the Cali raised. If you do have an Auxbeam harness and you did pick up the Cali raised OEM button, if you will notice that the wiring is not the same. Over here we only have 3 wires and they are different colors. Over here we have 4 wires and they are different colors. So I'm going to go ahead and let Ben's Tech explain to you a little bit more on how to wire this. Poof!
Just like that. Alright, so like you said, we're using the Cali raised button. This is the one that the Auxbeam comes with. I don't like it. So we're going to be using the Cali raised one, which just got installed. So what we did was we cut the button off, and we're going to use the wiring because we need this connector. So we're pretty much just going to strip this pretty far back so we can get all these wires. And then like Jesse was saying, there's 4 here and there's only 3 here, so we got to pretty much figure out. We know black is here, and then we got to figure out what the other ones do, because these are red and yellow and this one's green. We have a red and we have a yellow, so we're gonna go ahead and figure out how it goes. I know when we did the dish lights it was a little bit backwards, so the button was always lit up. We got that fixed and figured out. So we're pretty much going to be doing the same thing here, kind of a trial and error type thing to see what goes where. Most likely it's going to be green on the yellow, both reds on the red, and then the black is going to be ground. So strip all these out. I'll unplug this and make it easier. Alright, so after messing with it, black is your ground, green goes to the light bar, and then both these reds, one is the LED for the light bar, and the other one's for the wording. So pretty much you just gotta wire that and then you're good to go. much. We ran out of connectors, so we had to kind of ghetto-fy this one. It's 2 female connectors. They will stay together, but we're just gonna put electrical tape on it just to be sure. It does work. It is kind of ugly, and you know how we are with our cleaning installs, but it is hidden completely. So this is what it is until we can go get another one here in a little bit. But we need to be testing first, so gotta make it look beautiful. Alright, now that it's all done, turn it on. Make sure it's working, which it is. Both lights on here light up and the light bar lights up, so that's it. So now we just gotta rewrap the wiring and be good. That's what he said. And now that we got it all wired up, we got the buttons in. We do have one more spot. You're gonna have to stay tuned for that one. And then just double, triple, quadruple check, make sure it's working. Turn it on. That wall is lit up back there, so we all know it's turning on.
Alright, so if you guys enjoyed today's video, like I said, I worked with Ben's Tech in this one. We did enjoy the install. It does look pretty clean. We'll give you some cinematics, but yeah, like, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. See you guys next time.
Deuces.